very, very new. It's the best food I've ever tasted.
Hello, tiny reviewer friends. Today I'll be reviewing Maple Flavored Poffertjes. At least that's what I think it is. Mini pancake puffs. Treasures, as always. Traditional Dutch-style poffertjes make a delicious breakfast or snack. Just heat in the microwave or oven and serve with syrup, cream, or enjoy on their own. Nutrition facts and ingredients. The serving size is 13 puffs. At least that's what it says. Serving size is 13 puffs, but 2.5 serving per container. Ingredients: contains milk, egg, wheat, may contain soy. We're doing the conventional oven today. It's 375 degrees Fahrenheit, which is obviously done already, so I don't want the oven to bing in the middle of my sentence, because 9 out of 10 it does. So interrupting oven, interrupting bing. Oh, why am I opening this? It's $2.99. Actually, I should open it. Oh, why did I open this way when there was like a deadline here? Open, please. Please. Thank you very much. Okay, so let's open this thing up. Into the oven you go, and we'll see how many I can eat against my father. Yay. Anyway, good pancakes. Some of them are really good, like this one. They're all round and even. Some of them are not so much. Well, at least there's like 40,000 of them. Let's get into the oven so I can eat them in one bite. No, I'm not. You guys can't see it, right? I'm gonna try the not so cut in half one. Spirit. Ooh, it's really puffy because it cracks when I put my fork in.
Very, very new. It's the best food I've ever tasted.
It's the best I've ever tasted. That's bread, like with butter, jam, or any type of, one of those things that you eat with bread with. I think it'll be very good.
Maple flavor might be good.
Or cream. But on their own is pretty good too. I'm gonna pick a good one for my mother. See you in 10 seconds. Mother says it's awesome. And guess what? Ta-da! My father made a sandwich of jam and this eggnog. No, not eggnog. See? Poffertjes, sorry. Anyway, let's try this one.
Strawberry jam.
I said strawberry jam. But I think butter would be better. But on its own is pretty good too. This is a good snack. You can eat more than 13, I guess, because I myself can eat like 25 of them. Rating 5 stars. No, mine. There's one left and it's all mine. But there's like 27 more. Well, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, press the like button, and meet me with Brown too, so you see again in my other videos. Bye!